Now let's go over how to buy crypto directly through TrustWallet.start. By logging into your Trust Wallet app and tapping on Buy from the home screen. You'll then need to enter the amount you want to purchase and select the cryptocurrency you're interested in. Once that's set, choose Card with Binance Connect as your payment method. After that, you'll be redirected to the Binance interface where you can complete your purchase. You'll also be taken to the transaction page inside the Binance app. Here, take a moment to review the amount, the quantity, and all the transaction details. If you'd like to see a full breakdown of the fees, just tap on the three dots. At this stage, you can also adjust a few advanced settings like the network speed, slippage, or swap provider. Depending on your preferences and how fast you want the transaction to process, once everything looks good, double-check that all the details are correct, especially the amount, the wallet address, and the network. When you're ready, tap Confirm to proceed. You'll then go through the 3D secure authentication and complete any required security verification. After that, your swap will start processing. Once it's finished, just tap back to Trust Wallet to return to the app. Your newly purchased crypto will appear in your wallet shortly after the transaction is finalized. And that's it. That's how you buy crypto safely and easily using Trust Wallet with Binance Connect.